Xiaomi India capped off another big event where we saw the launch of the Xiaomi's most capable flagship Mi 11 Ultra alongside the Mi 11X series. The latter consists of two phones, that is Mi 11X and Mi 11X Pro, which are known internationally as the Redmi K40 and K40 Pro Plus. These two phones are directly competing with the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. So let us know the difference between Mi 11X and Mi 11X Pro and which one is suitable for you to purchase in 2021. The more affordable entries from the recent launch from Xiaomi is the 11X and 11X Pro. Both the 11X and 11X Pro bring 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. But the disappointment here is the full HD Plus resolution. Instead, Xiaomi would have given a Quad HD Plus. The camera department is where we find the major difference. The Pro utilizing the Samsung's 108MP HM2 sensor which comes with a 2.1 micron pixel, and the 11X settles for a 48MP primary shooter instead. So that is a big difference. The remaining modules are the same on both phones, that is an 8MP ultra-wide snapper and a 5MP macro lens. The other major difference comes in the chipset department where the Mi 11X Pro brings the flagship Snapdragon 888 while the 11X scales down to the Snapdragon 870, which is no slouch. Both handsets offers 4520 mAh battery with a 33W fast charging support. Coming to the prices of both the phones, Mi 11X starts with 30,000 Indian rupees, that is $400 in the international market for the 6GB 128GB variant, whereas Mi 11X Pro goes for 40,000, that is $535 in the international market for 8GB 128GB model. So these are the major differences. So we would suggest you must go for the Mi 11X Pro to experience the full flagship like experience. The only downside about this phone is its display, that is it is coming with a full HD Plus resolution instead of a Quad HD Plus resolution. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.